What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Before I get into it, I wanted to just address a couple of things real fast. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. First thing, I'm in enough dog groups and poodle groups to know that some people get very offended about people coloring their dogs or pets in general. I just want to make it clear that there are dyes that are perfectly safe for dogs and animals in general. The brand I'm using today is called Crazy Liberty, and it is made specifically for dogs. There's also Opaws that I know of, and Arctic Fox is also, from all my research, said to be perfectly safe for dogs as well. So in the future, I may use Arctic Fox for Charlie at some point. Today, I'm going to use the Crazy Liberty dyes I have. I've got red, green, and blue, and I'll be using the red and blue to make a purple, so it's going to be purple, blue, and green, like Galaxy. So yeah, if you still think that there's something wrong with me doing this, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe this isn't the video for you. Second thing I want to address is I'm going to be exposing myself a little bit today. My backyard is very overgrown. It gets neglected a lot in the winter, and it's just a jungle back here. Oh well, that's what it is, and I'm just gonna focus on dyeing my dog. So yeah, without any more rambling, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Here is the boy in question. The goodest boy. This is Charlie, the standard poodle. And we're gonna just be doing his little poofs on his feet. I think they're called bracelets, is the technical term for it. And we're gonna do them purple, blue, green, so kind of like a Galaxy sort of. And yeah, I'm not sure how this is gonna work. I'm not sure how I'm gonna keep him from getting it on the rest of his body. Should I saran wrap? I just thought about that. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put it on him and hope it doesn't get on the rest of him, because I don't want to saran wrap his paws. It's in the 70s today, so it's a little warm. It's not too bad. We're here in the shade, obviously. He's got some water. I'm gonna sit out here with him the whole time. And it says to leave on for like 20 to 30 minutes, and I think I'm just gonna do like 15 minutes and 10 to 15 minutes.
He's a good boy.
He is the goodest boy. I've never done this before, if that wasn't obvious. I do have my brushes here, but I don't know if that's really the best thing to use or not. I think I'm going to try to use just my gloves first and see how that goes. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start from the bottom up, so that'll be like the lightest to the darkest. Let me get down here with them. Yeah, this is perfectly safe, like I said. There are a few random spots all over him. Most notably on his butt, he's got a blue spot that he sat in. But overall, not half bad. Much respect to groomers out there who do this on a daily basis. That was a lot more work than I anticipated. He didn't want to, obviously he doesn't want to hold still. I gotta work with him, and I felt like I was getting color everywhere, but it wasn't as big of a deal as I thought it was going to be. For the most part, you don't notice them unless you're looking for them. So I'm gonna call this a win. I'm excited to color him more in the future. I want to do all over, just on his white parts. Obviously, I'm not going to use lightener or bleach on my dog ever, but I probably will continue to use pet safe dyes on him. I imagine this lasts a while. I mean, he only gets bathed every 4 to 6 weeks, so I imagine it's going to be a while before that color fades. Sorry if I'm squinting a lot. It is bright. Ugh. And I got dye all over me. Also, stuff stains really bad. That pretty much does it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.
Say bye, Charlie. Bye.